We're going to start our potatoes now, so we're going to go ahead and check our potato. If we find any eyes, we'll go ahead and pick those off. And then we'll give it a quick rinse. Sure all the dirt is off. And we're going to just go ahead and cut them into very thin slices. Discard both of these ends, and then I'm going to drop them in one by one. The reason why I'm doing that is I just want to make sure that they're all separated. And we don't have to cook these all the way through again, because we are going to be putting them back into the oven and roasting them.